Why you looking like that?
Huh?
Why are you looking like that?
I was just confused. I don't understand. But anyway, this is Isaac Smooth Baron with some more country living. Look here, people. It's something I don't understand. We've been doing a lot of traveling here lately. In the past 3 months, we've been to a lot of places. Ain't that right, baby?
That's right.
And I can stand 10 toes down on American soil and tell you like this here. There ain't no other cooking like down south cooking. And mind you, I'm talking about in the Delta. I'm not talking about these other country folk, these other down south folk, baby. Now, we went to New York City, didn't we, baby?
Mm-hmm.
And these fellas say they got some of the best food. You know, one thing they had with these big old slices of pizza. Ain't that right, baby?
Mm-hmm.
The crust on them summer guns is that thick.
Ain't nothing but crust.
Nothing but bread. They're cheating you city boys. You city boys paying $3, $4, $5 a slice for a loaf of bread. Sprinkle a little cheese on there, pepperoni, sausage, what have you. But you know what they do, baby?
Mm-hmm.
They put sugar in their sauce.
Sugar. Who wants that?
I don't understand. You boys in New York City, you can't put sugar in sauce. Tomato and sugar do not go together. I'm going to tell you some of the other. We went up there. Well, I love this place, but you have some explaining to me to do. We went to Louisiana.
Mm-hmm.
It's right there by Arkansas.
Mm-hmm.
Right there by Mississippi.
Mm-hmm.
Where they do all the good cooking at.
Mm-hmm.
We had some chicken in Louisiana.
Supposed to be New Orleans fried chicken.
Supposed to be the best chicken in New Orleans. For one, it's Louisiana, and you guys don't even use your own hot sauce.
No, they don't.
I bit into the chicken. I didn't taste any salt, any pepper, any saltless seasoning, no seasoning salt. The chicken was bland. It's like I was just eating some grass.
That was a restaurant that they said was really good.
Well, you know what, baby? I'm starting to think one thing. You want to know what I think, baby? I think nobody has taste buds like city boys. The rest of the countries, it's not eating like city boys. And when I buy the rest of the country, I mean us country boys. When we do that country living, we season our food.
Mm-hmm.
In Louisiana, have all those shrimp and don't season them.
Mm-hmm.
How do you have crabs and crawdads and you have Gulf shrimp and you don't season them right? You don't use none of the things we use. And you're supposed to tell us how to eat it. You tell me not to dip my shrimp and crab in butter. You boys ain't eating right. I'm going to start calling you city boys. Because it's a crying shame. And I'm upset about it, too.
So what place had the best food that you can say so far?
Arkansas.
Really?
I'm born and bred in Arkansas. And I'm 10 toes.
So maybe you're just partial.
No, I'm not partial. I have taste buds, baby.
Oh.
I eat. You can look at me and tell I'm not missing any meals.
Mm-hmm.
So anybody else want to challenge this here country boy and my country living about food, you know where to find me. Country living.